Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be yet another trash talk. It is my fourth one, and the last one I did was about 2 months ago. So these are products that I have kept since the last video, and for some reason I have a lot more items than I have in the past couple videos that I have made. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I don't have a particular order that I'm going to be talking about, whatever, but I do have like household type things like makeup, body wash, candles, stuff like that in one kind of stack, and then I have a lot of cleaning products as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with the cleaning products. I do have two huge things of the Up and Up Fresh Scent and Lemon Scent from Target. I really actually like the quality of these. There's not much difference to these than to the Lysol ones. And I really like these. They come in a little pack like this, like, you know, like stuck together. So I really like these. They last quite a good time, long time, just because I do clean houses on the side. So I do take my own products and use these up. So yep, there's those. I do have the Barkeeper's Friend. I have the spray plus foam cleaner, and then the soft cleanser. I really love to use this product in kitchen sinks. Both of the people that I clean houses for in our house as well have the stainless steel sinks. I guess that's what they're called. And this works really well on that. So I have the spray and this. I really enjoy both. I mean, basically they're the same because this one's like a squirt and you can just kind of squirt everywhere, and this one's a spray. But like I said, I really enjoy both of them. It's a really great product. I finally finished. I would not repurchase this. It's the Windex multi-service made with vinegar. I mean, I really didn't get any, like, I mean, I like it, but I wouldn't repurchase it. I've had this for quite some time. It's the Clorox multi-service cleanser. Probably wouldn't repurchase this again just because I'm really on the Method brand. I really enjoy using that in Miss Myers, so I probably wouldn't repurchase anything like this again. And this has been something that I have shown in all 3 of my videos. It's the Method Bathroom Cleaner Naturally Derived Tub Plus Tile Cleanser, Eucalyptus Mint, and some other eucalyptus. But this says dissolved soap scum, cleans mold plus mildew stains. Now, I did try a new product. It's not new, but it was new to me. It's the Method Foaming Bathroom Cleanser. Now, I feel like these are basically the same product, but the only thing is this spray, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. So I do not like the nozzle on this. Like I said, I feel like it is the same ingredients that are in the bathroom cleanser, so I would not repurchase this again, but I would get this. I mean, this is my favorite product from Method to clean bathrooms. I believe in it, and I know that it works well. Now, this cleaned well. It's just a sprayer, so honestly, but like I said, I feel like it's the same, so I would just buy this instead of this, because this nozzle was not good. But so yeah, and it's the same scent. Honestly, it's the same. It says remove soap scum, as this one said dissolves, but everything else is the same thing or whatever. So yeah, I would not get this again, but this is my favorite. Okay, on to, oh, and I also as this one is just a bathroom cleaner, this is like a Method antibacterial bathroom cleaner. Now, I don't like the smell of it, but I do like the product just because I use it on like toilet seats and things like that, and handles in the bathroom, so I feel like it is disinfecting really well. I don't like the smell of it, but I can get over that. just because I really like this product as well, just not the smell. Okay, on to some kitchen things. We do have like a garbage disposal, so I do get what's the brand Glisten Disposer Care Cleaner. I use these quite a lot just because I don't want our garbage disposal to smell bad, and these do clean it out really well. It's a foaming cleaner plus bleach alternative, and basically you run hot water in your sink for like about a minute like into the drain, and then you turn it like off, kind of like drizzling into the sink, and you like move so it's not going in directly into the sink. Sorry, I can't explain that, but these work really well. It kind of goes down the garbage disposal and comes out the other side, so I know that it's like really cleaning that. I do get these quite a lot. I get them at Publix. The other thing is the Members Mark laundry detergent. I finally finished all of that. And I do get these Cottonelle flushable wipes. They're really nice to use. I finished the Total Temptations mascara. I wish this would do that. I can't figure it out. I did use this all the way up, and I have repurchased it, so that's always nice to know. Like, I do like to try a lot of mascaras, and this is one that I've repurchased in the last couple of maybe since January. I'm just gonna group these together because I love these so much. I am trying the coconut scent at the moment. I just tried it today and it smells really good. But between these two, I would get the blue one, which is called Wind Down. It smells really nice. Now, they both smell really nice, but I do like the scent of this one a lot better. And you can get these Target, Publix, anywhere like that. I am going to try, okay, well, another body wash. It's just one from Publix. I kept this in their guest bath for a while, and I finally just took it out of there and finished it up. Probably wouldn't get this again. I don't like the smell of it, but yeah. Next, I have 2 Glade automatic spray refills in the scent Elegant Amber and Ode. I don't know how to pronounce it. And then Clean Linen. I love having those automatic dispensers in our house, in our living room, just because throughout the day it just spritz it out without leaving a candle or a wax warmer, because I just know that it'll spray and I don't have to worry about, like, I get paranoid that those little wax warmers are like gonna overheat and like start a fire or something. So these are really nice to have like throughout the day while I'm not here, just so when we get home it smells nice. So I love to get those. I usually just kind of stick around getting the same scents. I have lots of soaps. We did use all the Vanilla Cookie Crunch Better Homes and Gardens. This is from Walmart. It smells really good. But yeah, we finally finished that. I also finished Hair, Skin, and Nail Gummies Nature's Bounty. And it comes with a total of 80 gummies, which I always take 2 at a time in the morning before I leave for work. I really love these. And the other scent I have, this one's the Tropical Citrus, but the one I just have now is the like pink strawberry, I think. I have 1 pack of e.l.f. makeup wipes. Love these, $3 at Target. Highly recommend them. Now, I used to use the Neutrogena ones, but I really do enjoy these more, just because they don't leave my face like really oily. And they're $3, like $3 at Target, and they're, I don't know, I really like them. I have a Stress Relief Eucalyptus Spearmint soap from Bath & Body Works. I have a Jasmine Vanilla soap from Bath & Body Works. I have 2 candles. Both are the White Barn this one's Watermelon Lemonade. Smells really good. Island Margarita smells really good too. I definitely would get these again. Miss Meyer's dish soap in the scent Mint. This has got to be my all-time favorite scent. ever. I think I got it from Target, and it is a limited edition scent, and that really stinks. I should order some on their website if they still have them available, but I really enjoy this. I still have the soap and the spray in our kitchen on my little stand by the sink, so that's still nice, but I really did like this soap, and I should have gotten more. I have 2 of the basil hand soaps that were in our guest bath and our bathroom. Finally finished these up, but I love to get these hand soaps. So, finished 2 of them. And next are 3 things that my good friend Megan actually got me for my birthday, or was it Christmas? But I have finished them. One of them is the Foaming Sonic Facial Soap from Clinique. I really didn't like this. And then I have 2 of the liquid facial soaps. I definitely would repurchase these over than the, what is it? Foaming Sonic Facial Soap. I like these because it has the pump, and I really like it. So I definitely have 1 more that I'm using, and then other than that, I will be all out from one she gave me. But I really enjoy this product. And actually that's it. So I made this video in like 11 minutes, and that's not bad. So yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys!